They took old plastic, formed them into these boop bop cool shapes, and made sunglasses out of trash. Literal trash. They made these. I am wearing trash on my face right now. If you want to make the world a better place by the way you spend your dollars, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so we can do it together. Hey everybody, my name is Chad. I'm your legacy goods curator. You see, every single dollar that we spend is a vote for the kind of world that we want to live in. This channel is all about exploring the products, goods, and makers that can make this world a better place. So tell me, my friends, what kind of sunglass connoisseur are you? Are you the one grabbing the cheapest pair on the rack at the gas station? Or are you the one buying the latest, most hip pair of Ray-Bans? I don't know. Tell me in the comments, are you a cheap sunglass buyer or do you go to the expensive pairs? You see, I would classify my relationship with sunglasses as it's complicated. I love a good, expensive, well-made pair of sunglasses. And I used to buy them, but here's the problem. I break sunglasses like it's bread. Get it? Breaking bread? Anyway, there are little things as painful as paying $175 for a good pair of Ray-Bans and then the next week sitting on them and only to stand up to find out that you've broken them into 4 different unusable pieces. So I had a brilliant idea. Well, I'll solve this problem. I'll just start buying cheap sunglasses. So I started going to the gas stations and buying Pug sunglasses. You know, the Pug brand? And the thing I found with cheap sunglasses is that they break so much faster than expensive glasses. So the problem I was facing is either spend a lot of money on a good pair and break those, or spend a little bit of money on a lot of pairs of cheap sunglasses and break those. Either way, I'm just sending a bunch of garbage to the landfills. At this point in the video, I hope you're thoroughly depressed about the disparaging state of my sunglass consumption. But have no fear. Sunski is here. Oh crap. Have no fear, Sunski is here. Sunski Sunglasses is the company that I want to introduce you to today. There are so many reasons why I love this company. So the story starts with 2 friends, Tom and Michael, who start a salsa company for some reason. I don't know, it's part of the story on the website. But then they end up wanting to create a throwback sunglass to some pair of sunglasses that they found in Australia. So these 2 friends sleeping on each other's floor, taking their bank account down to like $200. And at that point, when they're basically out of money and seems like out of hope, they do a Kickstarter around these sunglasses. And it funds like crazy. The reason it funded so well is they set out to do something that no other sunglass company was doing at the time. Creating something that was comfortable, sustainable, affordable, all of the abouts. They wanted to cover every abole. Their HQ is based out of San Francisco and the actual sunglasses are made in China. Can I ask you a question? Has this been as good for you as it's been for me? If so, will you hit the like button? We can take this relationship to a whole new level. My favorite thing about this company is their commitment to making the world a better place with their products and the way that they make their products. And I'm going to tell you about that right now. But before that, let's open them up. I want to show you how cool of an experience the unboxing experience is. Now, I'm not opening these for the first time. I've had these glasses for a couple weeks now and been able to wear them because I wanted to be able to give you a review of them that was by experience. So I have to say right now that the unboxing is a great experience, starting with no one-use plastic packaging, which is a big deal to me. I know that I buy so many different products to test out and to think about bringing on the channel, and so many of them have layers and layers of one-use plastic. Even products that say that they're trying, say they're making an effort to be less impactful on the world. Sunski, every single thing in the packaging is paper, which I love, and it's beautifully designed, and it's really well done. So the first experience, voila, shoot. Let's try that again. So the first experience is sliding the glasses out. Amazing, right? Looks so cool. Now these glasses are the Dipsies. You can see there, maybe it'll focus, maybe not. So these glasses are called the Dipsies. It says polarized shades designed in California, backed by our forever warranty. I'm gonna talk about that in just a minute. I don't wanna get ahead of myself. So you open these up, there's the glasses, and they pop out with this little paper backing or stabilizer thing. So that's cool. Just pop this thing out. I'll put those down. In the box with the glasses is a weed bag. Tell me right now in the comments, do you use the little bag that your sunglasses come in? I never have. Maybe I'm crazy. If it's a hard case, maybe, but like I got one hard case one time and I've had it forever. So I just don't use the microfiber cloth that comes with the glasses. There's this cool little book, Tips to Keep Your Shades Looking Fresh. So just lots of information about them, about how to care for your lenses, storage, just really, if you can see, like really beautiful design. And again, everything is paper. And then it says, thanks for joining the Sunski family. Now recycle me and go find some sunshine. So it's a cool unboxing experience. I like unboxing experiences. I like companies that put a thought into unboxing. And I think it's fun. Okay, so what do I like about the actual glasses, using them day to day? Well, the first thing that I love about the glasses is that they're just well designed. They have every kind of style you could think of. They have funky, they have classic, they have very Southern California looking clear frames with blue lenses, to the turquoise with brown lens, which is not turquoise, tortoise and brown lens, which is very much my style. But just the entire website is full of very good looking frames and lenses. They've done a fabulous job. All the lenses are polarized. So if you've never had polarized lenses, it makes a whole world of difference if you're ever spending time on water specifically, but even with driving, that reflection off the dashboard or other people's cars, and off the windshield, it really helps with all of those. The next thing that I love, they're recycled frames. Like literally recycled frames. They took old plastic, formed them into these boop bop cool shapes, and made sunglasses out of trash. Literal trash. They made these. I am wearing trash on my face right now, and I love them. That makes me so happy, you guys. I can't tell you how happy that makes me. But that's not all. Here's my favorite thing about these sunglasses. As I told you about my shade woes earlier, my terrible consumption habits, that I was breaking glasses. I was breaking sunglasses all the time. All the time I'm breaking sunglasses. They come with a lifetime warranty. You break these babies, you send them into Sunski, and they fix them for you. How cool is that? My friends, not only are they making the world a better place by making beautiful looking sunglasses out of ugly, gross garbage that nobody wants, they have a lifetime guarantee. They'll fix them for you. So the next time I sit on my glasses, I can send them in for repair. I can literally have these glasses for the rest of my life. And as somebody who breaks sunglasses constantly, that is a relief. Well, my friends, thank you so much for watching and voting with your dollars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that we can continue to discover really great goods together. I love you all.